with another one of our template videos. This time we're talking about making a textbook, a digital textbook using Google Slides. So much of this already stays the same. Again, you could name it your chapter, you pick your title. I chose the Great Depression because that's what we're doing. And then I can look for images on the Great Depression. And I'm going to click that whole background image there. And I'm going to search the web for Great Depression, right? Because that's what I'm trying to do it on. And I want to find images that are maybe iconic. This one's definitely iconic. And I'm looking for one that is a little more kind of portrait style instead of horizontal, so I can fill this box, and there it is, the Great Depression. That's a really good chapter page. Now when you go to actually present this, these won't be here, they won't add, it's only this working area here. So again, I hop in here and it looks just like a textbook, and we follow all the same guidelines, we do those different things, we add different things. Now what we have here is just kind of, you know, some reader guide. We want to make sure that our reader knows what's coming, so it's kind of like a preview / summary here. And then we have our topic 1, our topic 2, and some pictures that we use. We're using captions again. We're doing some jump in, so a person or event here. And the cool thing about this is you guys can kind of customize this how you want. So we definitely kind of see this as an option for how you want to do this. You can kind of create it to make it your own, which is really kind of cool. Here's one that's a video, and with our video options, you can't necessarily just replace it, but I wanted to make sure that you guys had that opportunity. And to insert a new video, and you can do videos instead of pictures, it's totally up to you. You're going to insert and then choose video, and then it gives you YouTube right here. And if you've already found a video on YouTube, you just find the URL and then paste it in there, and it'll take you right there. Now these boxes again are just kind of there. You can highlight text, like maybe this is a really important term I want everybody to know, and I can make sure that it stands out by choosing to highlight that text with the features available in Google Docs. And that way any reader would know what's going on. You're going to finish the section that you write here with a last topic and then kind of a nice review, and put some chapter credits in there, anything that you may have used, some of the pictures and such. It's totally up to you, and you guys get to create it. So if you guys want one that's more heavy on pictures, you want to add like a gallery in there, totally up to you. Copy and paste is going to be your best friend here. You can copy this slide, paste it, so now you have 2, and then you can get rid of some of this text here, and then you just want to copy and paste some of these pictures here, and we can call this something else as we kind of work and do this. It's totally up to you. Want to make sure you're captioning, but we can call this, you know, Great Depression Gallery here. And then this could just be all the pictures of the Great Depression that I want to put in the middle of my chapter book. So thanks for watching this one. Again, we're getting pretty good with Google Slides, so we should be pretty good on this. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.